Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the backup job for Exchange Online in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To backup Exchange Online, you need to add the organization first. Just click Resources, M365 Organizations. Click Add. Choose the authentication method. Enter the authentication parameters of the organization. Click OK. Click Synchronize. Go to Application Backup, M365 Backup. Backup. Select the email in Exchange Online to backup. Here, you can select backup directories to exclude. Then click OK. Select the backup storage for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data compression, retention policy, in transmission strategy, we have network retry configurations of attempts and interval. Advanced strategy have backup job retry configurations. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is finished. Let's check the backup data. The backup has been created successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.